So this is the problem I had with my H3 2009 Hummer. As you can see, it was raining outside as well as inside, and I was pretty shocked. You can see the amount of water that was collecting in that one heavy rainfall. Anyway, let's see how we can stop that from happening again. So it's dried up now, and I just thought we'd open the roof up and have a look to see how much water is still pooling. As you can see, there's still water pooling in the corner there in the passenger side. There's lots of muck and dirt in there as well. So I've attached some instructions in the description for you to follow if you'd like to do so. So I removed the A-pillar here, and that black pipe you can see is the drainage pipe. I found by wiggling that, I was able to locate the grommet, which is located just above where those two bolts are. If you manage to squeeze your hand up in there, you'll feel it bobbling around while you jiggle it with the other hand. And when you pull it out, that's what you should have. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, pretty mucky. Water's not really going to get through there. Even with it cleared out, I drilled it out, as the other video said, and replaced it back. So that grey pipe you can see there is actually the second part of the drainage pipe that follows on from the black part in the A-pillar. So that's what you're aiming for. Grab hold of that and the grommet should come out easily. Now we moved on to the driver's side. I've just stopped there because many people might struggle to find the location of where the driver's side grommet is. It's difficult to get to, but hopefully, there you go, you can access it. And as you can see, a load of sand and muck came out at the same time. So as you can see, not much light passing through there, so there's no way water's going to pass through it. And again, cleaned and drilled out, ready to replace. So just replacing that grommet back into the driver's side. And as you can see up at the top here in the sunroof, there's lots of sand and dirt which I just cleaned out. And doing the water test now with a bottle of water just to see if it drains correctly. So it was fine on the passenger side. As you can see, that's draining away nicely, and you should be able to hear and see that come down the bottom. There you go. The driver's side wasn't so easy, so I managed to find some old doorbell wire which I tried to feed through. It didn't go too far, so I had to remove the A-pillar on the driver's side as well. Be careful to unclip the tweeter wires. And then there's a join, and if you disconnect that join, that piece of pipework comes out of the bottom there. So that's the last part which attaches to the grommet. And as you can see, there's plenty of opportunity for dirt and sand and muck to build up in. So again, I tried feeding it through with the wire, but it didn't work so well, so I managed to clean that out with water. And now that's all nice and clear. I replaced that back, and as you can see, that's draining nicely. Nothing pooling in the inside. So yep, that's job done. So I'm just replacing the A-pillar there with the airbag cap. It actually wasn't as bad as I was expecting. I also watched a lot of YouTube videos. So anyway guys, good luck. I hope this helps.